Hi, I'm Mike Sill. I'm the CEO and third generation owner of Road Machinery and Supplies Company based in Minnesota. We have operations throughout Iowa and the UP of Michigan. We are a company that's been around for almost 100 years now. We'll be celebrating our 100th anniversary here in 2026, so that'll be an exciting milestone for our company. We have 4 mining operations based on the Iron Range in Minnesota. We sell and support equipment. We rebuild components. We have a steel fabricating division. And we have a used parts operation, and then we also support a taconite open pit mine in Michigan with Epiroc drills at almost all locations. So we have sold 7 Epiroc Pit Viper 351 drills, both diesel and electric, and we have sold drills since 1996, almost 30 years. We've got service technicians that have been trained for many years, and we've been an Epiroc dealer since 2013, when we recognized that they were the superior product in the industry. Part of what we love about Epiroc is they are a big company that functions like a small company. Very level management structure. When we have our strategy meetings, they all show, from the president down to the guys that we engage with most weeks. And so you have a level of collaboration that you don't always see within the industry. They also have guys who have committed their entire careers to the drilling products and drilling manufacturing. And so it's exciting for us to be partnered with Epiroc. They are an exceptional group to work with.
Jon Anderson, Road Machinery and Supplies Company based out of northern Minnesota and northern Michigan. We have one of our core principles is that we provide 24/7, 365 service and parts support to our customers. The only way that that works is if we have the same support from our suppliers, our original equipment manufacturing partners, and Epiroc is the poster child of that support. We work very hand in hand closely with their product support people, their service people, the training group, and their parts department. Service is available to us, whether it's holidays, middle of summer, any time of the year, we can get a hold of them. We have called them on Christmas Day and they've answered the phone. The parts department has listened, voice of the customer, they put parts on the shelf. When it comes to technology, the Epiroc folks are pretty much the leaders in that business on helping customers increase their productivity and decrease their costs. We talk about the ABC, which is automatic bit changer, single row autonomous, fully autonomous, and then also the tele-remote control where you have an operator sitting 3,000 feet away operating 3 other drills in a very comfortable environment. That gives our customers the option to certainly buy another Epiroc drill because they are the most productive drills in the mine site. So in conclusion, Epiroc, being a partner of ours and a highly valued partner, provides us with all the tools that we need to support our customers to keep the drills running and the other Epiroc components 24/7, 365, and we really appreciate that.